5.4 is minor corrections to the district plan. Hilary. Good afternoon, Hilary. How are you?
Good, thank you.
Good.
I'll just take the item as read. It's very mechanical. Under the RMA, we're permitted to correct minor errors that we pick up in the district plan without going through a full plan change process. So I've just picked up 3 here that we've just recommended to be picked up and corrected through that mechanism.
Okay. Any questions of Hilary? Councillor Boddy?
Thank you. If we go to page number 70, and this may be because it's in the district plan, and 71 in particular, the height of the trees and the number of trees are different from our tree and vegetation policy. Is that because the district plan contains material that came out prior to that 2014 document? I refer to, if you go down to landscaping on page 70, it says average of 1 species tree per 7 metres of road.
Yes.
And then below that, our plan actually says, where are we? 1 tree per road frontage on residential berms, low density berms, 1 tree per 30 metres.
Yeah.
So I know this is the bypass.
Yes, so these provisions were developed specifically for the industrial environment and in particular the boundary along the ETA there. So they differ because they're for different environments and because this was developed specifically for that area.
So it's in the district plan then?
Yes.
Thank you.
All right. Any other questions of Hilary? Just minor technical changes. All right. Okay. Suggested recommendation there. So that's all correct. Those 3 points there. Hilary. Okay. Do I have a mover? Thank you, Councillor Rankin. Seconded by Councillor Hickling. All those in favour, please say aye. Aye. Those against? Carried. Thanks very much, Hilary.